Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport SE finished in Borrasco Grey. This new model comes with a 3-litre P460e engine and a 38.2 kWh battery and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility especially at night, and this car stands on 23-inch alloy wheels with the gloss black finish. This car features around 647 litres of usable boot space capacity, which is ideal for larger luggage items and storage. There is adjustable air suspension as well to help lift heavier items into the car, and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the Ebony perforated Windsor leather seats with the matching Ebony interior. These seats do contain isofix points, and there is also a fold-down armrest which will reveal a storage tray as well as 2 cup holders. There is also a rear climate control panel for the backseat passengers to utilise with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the same Ebony interior with the same perforated Windsor leather seats, this time with additional side support for extra comfort and their own fold-down armrests. They are electronically operated via controls on the doors. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped Range Rover steering wheel with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and hands-free options, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display options, including left and right info panels, and then map, focused and dial options. The main touchscreen infotainment system does also include satellite navigation, with useful shortcuts such as nearby charging stations and fuel stations. We can also access radio with FM and DAB, and we can pair the car to Bluetooth to pair to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by pressing the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the satellite view and 3D imagery, as well as the rear view parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system there is a slide away cover which does reveal a place to store your phone. Behind the centre console there is another retractable cover which houses 2 cup holders, which can also be removed to reveal a storage pocket with a USB port. Finally, the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a deeper storage pocket inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport SE. For any more information, please do get in touch with us now.